For some odd reason, I am having a very small turnout at the 3 o'clock lecture, and at the 11 o'clock lecture, the class is overflowing. All right? So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to share my screen with you, and I'm going to tell you or repeat what I did in my morning's lecture. If you attended the morning's lecture, you shouldn't be here. All right, because that was, this is the overflow lecture for the students that can't make it in the morning. Now, let me see why my students, right, there we go, I'm here. You can see me now. Okay. Step number 1, all of you are in MS Teams. Because this is where I'm going to now upload all our PowerPoint presentations, our class materials, and Excel functions and exercises. So in order to do that, this is where you would have been in the General tab. You go to the Files tab on the top, and here's all the PowerPoints, PowerPoint 1, 2, 3. For the test, chapters 1, 2, and 3 is coming out, as well as Excel, the Excel functions, and I want you to give me your certification, your certificate. The certificate is micro-credentials. So earlier on, I shared with you the test week. If I click on the link, it opens up the test week. I'm trying to move it to the morning. Apparently, you all are writing mathematics in the afternoon on the 28th of March. So you're writing mathematics from 2 to 4 and CMIL101. There's a problem here with CMIL101. Wait, I can't even see it now. There we go. It's in session E. Right? Session E starts at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. Now, I like to leave it as 4 o'clock because your maths test finishes at 2 o'clock? 3 o'clock? 2 o'clock. So there's time. But if I can move it to 8 o'clock or 8:30 in the morning, I'll try, all right? So that was covered there. So let me close the Excel spreadsheet. Then I shared with you some questions. Now, I am a smart worker. I found questions on the internet on a particular website, and I am going to take some questions from there. So if I click on this link, this set of computer fundamentals, right? The physical devices of a computer. Is it A, software, package, hardware, or system software? Who knows the answer? I'll put you on the camera. Anybody with a clear answer? I'll put you in, I'm putting the camera, come on. Is the answer A, B, C, or D? I'm answering question number 1. The answer is, I don't know, let me see, view answer. C, right. Software package is a group of programs that solve multiple problems. A, true or false? Multiple problems, true or false? The answer is false. Software package that solves a specific problem for a particular type of job. It cannot solve multiple problems. That's a difficult question. Which of the following is designed to control the operations of a computer? I did it this morning. Yeah, I think it's hard, man. It's not syllabus. Which of the following is designed to control the operations of a computer?
B.
Hey, this is a nice question. I think I'm going to put it in our WhatsApp group.
F.
While I'm at it, I'll copy the next question. Right. Come on, think of the answer. Oh, and open up your WhatsApp. Which other lecturer says to you in class, open up your WhatsApp? Class, I don't know what's wrong with my WhatsApp. No, man, I'm using it on the internet. Oh, it went through. Check your WhatsApp, check your WhatsApp. Put your WhatsApp on. Right, so let's answer that question. Which are the following? Number 4, A, B, C. The answer there is, I don't know, B, system software. Software is classified into system software and application software. System software is designed to control the operations and to extend the processing capabilities of a computer. Which of the following is not an example of system software? Definitely A, B, C, or D? I don't know. D, word processors. A word processing software is an example of an application software. A person who designs the program in a software package is called a
Software developer.
A user, a software manager, a system developer, or a system programmer.
System programmer.
Programmer. Yay! Absolutely right. Give it a clap. What type of program is designed to solve a specific problem or to do a specific task? Is it application software, system software, utility software, or the user? I did this morning.
C.
Yeah, you put 2 on it. Application software is used to solve a specific problem. Assembler is used as a translator for what? Okay, you may not know this. There were types of programming languages. Assembler language was one. Right, that's not part of the syllabus. Right. So you can, these are just examples of questions. Let's close that. I don't need that. Let's go back to our team. Right, so that's what I did there. Now, the latecomers, the people that registered late, you missed YouTube video chapter 1. Don't worry, there's chapter 1 again over here for you, right? There it is, chapter 1, it's on YouTube. You can watch it. Let's go double speed. Right, there's chapter 1 there, we did the notes. There we go, bits and bytes. Oh, I don't know why I went there, but anyway, bits and bytes. Examples of personal computing devices. Right, now I do not repeat lectures. Fortunately, I'm recording it, so there we go. I think this one is chapter 2. Is this chapter 2? On the 19th of February, 2025. Yeah, oh, this is also chapter 1. Okay, there's chapter 1 again. So, if you missed the lecture, there we go. You can watch chapter 1 again. Right. You will need this for the exam on Monday. Well, I'm calling it an exam, but it's actually a test. I don't see the difference between a test and an exam. I think this morning I spoke to you about the CPU and the speed. See, I covered chapter 1 again for the benefit of the latecomers. Clock speed, gigahertz. My computer works at 1.8 gigahertz. That was me in my room. Oh, look at this. There's all of you there.
No, one day.
Or some of you. You're famous. That's me again. Hey, but that's not me with a different shirt. Okay, that's me with a different shirt, yeah. Okay. Then I also had a video on hardware and software. The reason I spoke about hardware and software is it's coming out in the test next week, Friday. Right, you need to differentiate between hardware and software. Then I asked the students to right on Friday, was it last week Friday? I want you to do this exercise right now. Yes, exploring basic computer concepts. This certification is 1 hour 33 minutes, but it will take you less than half an hour, right? When you complete the certificate, you need to print it and bring it to the test on next week Friday. So you will click on continue, you'll go all the way. But remember, you must log in or sign into this Microsoft Learn website. If you don't sign in, then you won't see your name on the right-hand side. And then you can't take a screenshot of it. So once you complete the certificate, it will tell you, congratulations, well done, you have completed it. After about half an hour's work. Then you click on the snipping tool. You go to the bottom of your screen, SNIP, snipping tool. You click on snipping tool, you click on the plus sign, you use your mouse and your left mouse button, and you copy it. Make sure that your name, surname is there. Then you save it on the desktop. When you save it on the desktop, you give it a name. Give it a nice name, like, right? That's a nice name. Then you print it. Now to print it, you can either email it to yourself. That's what I suggest you do. You create an email to yourself. You say, there, I'm sending an email to myself. Attach the file, browse this computer, desktop. I call it TP Governor. There it is. And I need to print this. And I'm going to send it to myself. So now you can go to the library and you tell them that you need to print the certificate for your lecturer. And I will assign a mark to you as a practical exercise that you have completed. After you have completed that exercise, I now have another exercise. Because I know how much you like computer programming, and how much you like spreadsheets, and word processing, and data, and information. Data is unprocessed facts and figures. So you're now going to learn about data concepts. You click on that link, and you continue reading. Make sure that you are logged in. Oh, Jared M. You got a question, Jared? But you're in the class. Why are you raising your hand? Jared, you raised your hand. I saw you raise your hand. No man on the screen. Right. You'll answer the question. You'll continue. Right. And at the end of this, you'll watch the video. And there's some questions that you need to answer. And when you answer the questions, you'll get the certificate. Let me help you with some questions. What type of data would you use to store product prices? Is it numeric, age, or string? Numeric. What happens when filters are applied to a data set? Ooh, I don't know whether you can answer this one. I think you'll have to go through all the screens before you come to this. Okay. Okay. All the previous screens. Go through it. All right. You'll have to go to all of them. You start from the top here. Introduction, get started, sort, derive, highlight. Right. I also posted last week's Excel exercise in class materials. So you open up class materials, and there's last week's exercise, CMIL 10th of March exercise. You double click on it and it will open in Excel. So these are our course marks, and we did average, maximum, and minimum. In the test, I will have a page with a template, and you will have to enter in the formula.
No.
Okay. And I also have the notes, and we started the exercise on the textbooks, the sale of textbooks. Now you are at a university. I will not cover every single sentence and word in this text. You need to do that on your own. It's now 20 to 4. Can we finish by 4 o'clock or so? I had such a long day. 8 o'clock right up to 1 o'clock I had lectures. 1 o'clock to 2 o'clock I had a break. Then 2 to 3 I had a lecture. Now I'm here. Come here. If you're not in Teams. Why isn't there? Yeah, because I haven't finished the lectures yet. When I finish the lecture, then you do the recording. Yeah, you clicked on the link in the WhatsApp group. I said it. Okay, come, I invite you. Hey, some people just want to join us for nothing. Give me your student number. 250 25 29
239
250
25 239
239. Is that you?
Same one.
Okay, you got a request. Click on it. Right. Oh, that one. Okay, come and show you now. You got it. That means you're not part of my team. Well, I don't know why you're not here then.